Hello students, in this video we are going to learn one of the important long answer question from the topic De Moivre's theorem. Let us see question first. If n is a positive integer, show that p plus iota q whole power 1 by n plus p minus iota q whole power 1 by n equals to 2 of p square plus q square whole power 1 by 2n into cos of 1 by n tan inverse q by p. So we can simplify LHS and we can prove RHS easily for this question. But before we go to the simplification of LHS, when I saw here two complex numbers p plus iota q, p minus iota q, so I wanted to go with the assumption. So p plus iota q, modulus amplitude form of p plus iota q is, let us assume p plus iota q, its modulus amplitude form r into cos theta plus iota sin theta. So this is the initiation we have to remember. Okay. Now simplification. P plus iota q equals to r into cos theta, r cos theta plus r I into iota into r into sin theta, r sin theta. Now we are able to see real and imaginary parts both the sides. So I would like to equate real and imaginary parts both the sides. So real part on LHS is p. So p is equals to, real part on RHS is r cos theta. So both are equal. P is equals to r cos theta. Similarly, imaginary part on LHS is q. Q is equals to, imaginary part RHS is r sin theta. So both are equal. So that I got p value as well as q value. So when I saw here p square plus q square, I will get an idea to go for squaring on both the hands. I would like to find p square plus q square value. So always you have to proceed the simplification part by seeing the required proof easily. So p square plus q square, let's go with p square plus q square simplification. So what will happen? P square. P square means r square cos square theta plus q square. Q is r sin theta. Na? Q square become r square sin square theta. Now on further simplification, r square can be taken as common. Na? R square common. On taking r square common, we left with cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. So p square plus q square equals to, as you know already, cos square theta plus sin square theta value 1. You know very well, cos square theta plus sin square theta value 1. So it become r square into 1. R square into 1. So r square into 1, r square. So I got r square is equals to p square plus q square. R square is equal to p square plus q square. If I find r value, r is equals to, so on shifting square from one hand to other hand, it become square root. So square root can also be written as whole power 1 by 2. So for p square plus q square, I can write whole power 1 by 2. Okay, so keep this result aside. R is equals to p square plus q square whole power 1 by 2. We can use this result afterwards. Now, when I saw here tan inverse q by p, so how can I want to simplify these two equations? So I would like to go for a division process, because we know very well in trigonometry sin theta by cos theta tan theta. So for formation of tan theta, we will get through division process. That's why I would like to go for division process, dividing these two, r sin theta divided by r cos theta. Okay, na? That's the next step. R sin theta divided by r cos theta is equals to q by p. Q by p. So now what is the possible simplification here? R cancel. Sin theta by cos theta, tan theta. Sin theta by cos theta can be written as tan theta. Tan theta is equals to q by p. So theta is equals to, if I write theta, tan become tan inverse on shifting, tan become tan inverse. So theta become tan inverse of q by p, tan inverse of q by p. So this result also useful in further process, keep it aside. Okay, so after finding r value and theta value, modulus amplitude form is nothing but r modulus theta amplitude. So we found both the values now. Now time to go for LHS. Now we can proceed LHS. LHS. So what is LHS? P plus iota q whole power 1 by n plus p minus iota q whole power 1 by n. Now substitute p plus iota q. P plus iota q, r of cos theta plus iota sin theta. Substitute here r of cos theta plus iota sin theta. Whole power 1 by n is there, na? So we have to apply power for both the terms. Whole power 1 by n. Power 1 by n, power 1 by n. Plus. Now similar corresponding to minus, we have to write minus here. So same assumption. So corresponding to minus, we should write here minus r into cos theta minus iota sin theta. Whole power 1 by n is there, na? So power 1 by n. Here also power 1 by n. Now r power 1 by n we can write same. Now time to use De Moivre's theorem. Cos theta plus iota sin theta whole power 1 by n. Look like cos theta plus iota sin theta whole power n. Formula cos n theta plus iota sin n theta. So in De Moivre's theorem, what is the logic? Just power multiplied to angle in both the places. So if I do so, cos theta into 1 by n, theta by n plus iota sin theta by n plus same r power 1 by n as it is. Same on applying De Moivre's theorem, cos, if 1 by n is multiplied by theta, 1 by n into theta, theta by n minus iota into sin theta by n. Okay, now if you observe the overall expression, r power 1 by n can be taken as common. After taking r power 1 by n common, we left with cos theta by n plus iota into sin theta by n plus, middle we have plus, na? So we took r power 1 by n common, wrote outside. We left with cos theta by n minus iota into sin theta by n. Okay, now r, we can substitute r. We got r value as a p square plus q square whole power 1 by 2, na? Substitute here in place of r, p square plus q square whole power 1 by 2. R substituted as p square plus q square whole power 1 by 2. Already we have 1 by n as the power, so we can write it as whole power 1 by n. Now plus iota sin theta by n minus iota sin theta by n cancel. Now we left with cos theta by n plus cos theta by n, 2 times, 2 cos theta by n. Now from the properties of indices, a power m whole power m, if you get 2 powers at a time, powers can be multiplied on them. So if I remind formula a power m whole power n, formula a power mn. So what it become? P square plus q square whole power 1 by 2 into 1 by n, 1 into 1, 1 by 2n. So we can write this 2 here, 2 cos as it is into theta by n. Theta by n is nothing but 1 by n into theta, 1 by n into theta. What is theta? Tan inverse of q by p. Tan inverse of Q by P. So I think almost all we got the required proof now. 2 of P square plus Q square whole power 1 by 2n into cos of 1 by n tan inverse Q by P is nothing but your required answer, RHS. So LHS is equals to RHS. You got the required proof.